Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use your PS4 controller with Citra in 2025, detailing the only truly reliable method. To begin, connect your PS4 controller to your computer using a USB cable or via Bluetooth. For the best experience, we will be utilizing DS4 Windows. This software helps your PC recognize the PS4 controller as an Xbox controller, which Citra understands perfectly. This initial setup is crucial for smooth gameplay. Next, let's configure DS4 Windows, a vital step for seamless integration. Head over to its official GitHub repository to download the latest version, then install it on your system. Once installed and running, it might ask you to install some drivers. Follow those prompts. Create a new profile within DS4 Windows and confirm your PS4 controller is listed and correctly identified, usually appearing as an Xbox 360 controller. Now that your controller is ready, open the Citra emulator itself. From the top menu bar, locate and click on Emulation, then choose Configure from the drop-down options. This action will open Citra's main settings window. Within this window, you'll see several tabs. Click on the Controls tab. Here, we'll tell Citra how to interpret your controller's inputs, setting the stage for precise button mapping. This is where the magic happens, mapping your controls. In the Controls tab, find the Input Device drop-down and select Gamepad. You should then select the option that represents your Xbox 360 controller, facilitated by DS4 Windows. Now, simply click on each input field in Citra, like A or Up, and press the corresponding button or direction on your PS4 controller. Map the analog sticks and D-pad carefully. Once finished, click OK to save your profile. With everything configured, it's time to test your new setup. Launch one of your favorite 3DS games in Citra and immediately check if all the mapped buttons and analog sticks function precisely as intended. Walk around, open menus, and perform basic actions to confirm responsiveness. If anything feels off, simply go back to DS4 Windows or Citra's control settings for a quick adjustment. Enjoy your seamless PS4 controller experience on Citra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.